Oswald book, sample paper maths, class 10, standard, self-assessment paper 1, part B, section 4, question number 30. If P and Q are the point on side CA and CB respectively of triangle ABC, right angled at C, prove that AQ square plus BP square equals to AB square plus PQ square. In this problem, firstly, we will draw a right angle triangle ABC in which right angle at C. So, this will be A, B and C. There is point P and Q are on the side CA and CB. So, let here the point P on side CA and point Q on side CB. Let join this. So, we have to prove AQ square plus BP square equals to AB square plus PQ square. So, here we can see AQ square. So, we have to connect A and Q. BP square. So, we have to connect BP. Here we can clearly see that there are basically 4 right angle triangle PQC, PBC, AQC and ABC. So, in triangle ABC, AB square will be equals to BC square plus AC square. Let this be equation first. In triangle PQC, PQ square is equals to QC square plus PC square. Let this be equation second. On adding equation first and second, AB square plus PQ square will be equals to BC square plus AC square plus QC square plus PC square. In triangle AQC, AQ square will be equals to QC square plus AC square. In triangle PBC, BP square is equals to PC square plus BC square. So, rearranging AB square plus PQ square is equals to QC square plus AC square plus BC square plus PC square. Here we can see QC square plus AC square is equals to AQ square. So, putting value here, plus BC square plus PC square is equal to BP square. So AB square plus PQ square is equal to AQ square plus BP square. Hence proved. Question number 31. Prove that sin theta in bracket 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta in bracket 1 plus cot theta equals to sec theta plus cosec theta from LHS, that is sin theta 1 plus tan theta. We can write tan theta as sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta 1 plus we can write cot theta as cos theta upon sin theta. From here sin theta, here cos theta is LCM, so cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta, here sin theta is LCM, so sin theta plus cos theta. From these two terms, sin theta plus cos theta is common. So sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. Sin theta plus cos theta in bracket, here sin theta into cos theta is our LCM. So from cos theta will be cancelled out, sin theta will be multiplied to sin theta. So sin theta into sin theta will be sin square theta plus from sin theta will be cancelled out, cos theta will be multiplied to cos theta. So cos theta into cos theta will be cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So sin theta plus cos theta in bracket 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. On multiplying, we will get sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. On dividing numerator separately by denominator, sin theta upon sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta will be cancelled out from sin theta and cos theta will be cancelled out from cos theta. So this will be equal to 1 upon cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta. We know that 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta plus 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta, that is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Question number 32. Prove that tangent drawn at the end of diameter of circle are parallel. In this problem, firstly we will draw a figure. So let a circle whose center is O and AB is diameter. Let CD and EF be two tangent which is touching the circle at point A and B. We have to prove tangent EF is parallel to CD. So we know that the angle drawn between tangent and the radius of the circle at point of contact is 90 degree. So angle CBA will be equals to angle BAF equals to 90 degree. Similarly, angle EAB will be equals to angle DBA equals to 90 degree. Here we can see interior alternate angles are equal since alternate interior angle are equal, so EF will be parallel to CD, hence proved. Question number 33. Peter throws two different dice together and find the product of two numbers obtained, while Reena throws a dice and squares the number obtained. Who has the better chance to get the number 25? This is the problem based on probability. So we will calculate the probability of Peter and Reena separately. So Peter throwing two different dice. So total possible outcomes will be 36. While Reena throw a die. So total possible outcomes will be 6. Peter find the product of two number obtained. We have to find the probability of product of two number 25. So favorable outcome is 5,5. We can get product 25 only in single condition. So favorable outcome is 1. So probability of getting product 25 will be 1 upon 36. That is favorable outcome upon total possible outcome. Now, in case of Reena, Reena is throwing one dice, so total possible outcome is 6. And squaring the number obtained. So, favorable outcomes will be only 1. That is, so favorable outcome that will be 5, because square of 5 will be 25. So when 5 will come on the dice, then the square of 5 will be 25. So favorable outcome will be 1. So probability of getting 25 will be 1 upon 6. Here we can clearly see that Reena have better chances as compared to Peter. So Reena has better chances because 1 upon 6 is greater than 1 upon 36. This is our answer.